Alright, so today I am just going to, I'm going to make an attempt to repair my NT installation, but first I'm going to just boot this up since I'm Windows 95. Part of this is I just want to make sure I'm in the right channel. I am in the right audio channel. Yeah, I have not had this plugged in for probably a couple months here. Okay, so now let's start the whole process regarding the NT. Trying to figure out what went wrong there. I'm pretty sure I know what went wrong. It's the installation of the different sound card. It still wants to use the other one, so I'm going to find. So I got 4 gigs for the this is Windows 98. I have 4 gigs on Windows 95. Did I put NT on the 512 or did I put on the 2 gig? I think I put on the 2 gig. I think the other 512 was OS2 2.1. And that's another thing. Now I'm going to try to repair Windows NT. I'm going to try to install Windows, not Windows. I'm going to try and install OS2 Warp 4. That'll be the next step, probably the final operating system, I'm guessing, until I feel like installing some other weird system. But let's go ahead and quit here. Okay, power on. Let's see if this is the right cartridge. Okay, so this is it. Let's do that real quick. Watch this loads. I've never had it. Nope, there we go. It should fail here. I have no idea how to repair this. Restart and set the recovery options in the system control panel or the crash debug system. This message reappears. Inaccessible boot device. Genuine Intel. Whatever. I want to first boot device. Second, do hard drive. Okay. Back. Couldn't find NTL DR. So it can't boot that. Alright. Let's go ahead and boot again from the hard drive. Copy. Disabled. Type Mac rate programming. Okay. What do we want to do? Video mode. I guess I can't do anything with that. Alright. Okay. Shit. Oh. Let's see here if we can get the spacebar trick to work. See what that does. Same thing. Okay, let's see what we can do about this. Okay, let's go ahead and see what happens when I do this. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do something different. I'm going to unplug the second hard drive and see what that does. Do that real quick. I'll set that there for easy remembrance. Nope, inaccessible boot device. Okay, I can live with that. I mean, it doesn't get us anywhere closer, but that means I can keep the hard drive plugged in. To our regularly scheduled programming. Boot from the floppy. I need to find my NT3 disc. I think this is the one with the bad 3 disc, but I don't want to reinstall this. I just want to repair this. I want to get into like a safe mode. I don't know anything about Windows NT. I do not like what I've seen. Shit. Okay, good. I guess right. I needed to word that better. Uh-oh. So this disc is dead. Disc 1 that's dead. Alright, let's find another disc. Alright, let's try another disc. Alright. Piece of junk. Well, it's reading the floppy. It might be lucky. Bad disc too? Okay. Whatever. Let's cycle through these, see which one we get. Okie dokie, let's see if this works this time. Okay. Okay, let's see here. We are going to do all that jazz. Oh, it still wants me to put in another disc, huh? Whatever, whatever. It can have its way. Oh, you gotta be kidding. This 3 doesn't work either? Alright. Okay, we're back on track. We're back on track. Oh, hell, I don't think so. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what we can find. Okay, we're doing this from the top. Doing this from the top. From the top. Piece of junk. I hate Windows NT 4.0. Okay, so we want to do alright, let's just do that. It's fine. See if we can set up. We only want NTFS. Do it again. Do it again. Alright. DOS is gone. That's no big loss. I have DOS in the other ones. That'd be amazing if this didn't work this time. Why would it be fat? I put in NTFS. Oh, it needs to convert fat to NTFS. Okay, I guess it's not giving me the choice, is it? Nope, it's not. It's auto loading. This is taking forever. It's a lot of steps when installing Windows NT. Not connected to a network at this time. I don't have a card for that. Oh, the Matrox Millennium, huh? Okay. Let's go. Okay. That's... Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, we're gonna try it this time. Abandoned ship. Alright, restart computer. Disable floppy boot on the restart. Alright. What's it gonna do? That's new. Okay, so we're kind of back in business. Alright, so I want to explore. Alright, NT is back up. I want to see if I still have my hard disk file, so I'm going to do a swap out here. This time I'm going to swap out, what am I swapping out? Swapping out Windows 98. I'm do a couple swaps here. Should be fine. Driver's fine. Oh, I guess I haven't loaded 98 in a long time. Explore. Okay, so all these drives are showing up in 98, but not NT. For these. How come? Okay. So that's strange. We're doing NT 4.0 again. See what happens. Control delete. Alright, so it looks pretty much the same. Okay. Temp WinNT, program files, plus Microsoft Internet. Okay, so we're really just gonna run this without access to other hard drives, which is fine, I guess. Let's see here. It's not ideal, but it is an improvement in what's happening. I'm guessing there is a conflict with the NTFS, and that might have been why it wasn't booting up. Was because one hard drive was that, and this one, and the compact flash was NTFS. The other hard drive was FAT, of course. So while I probably could have did that a little bit better, and just did FAT on this file system, this is still fine, I suppose. So next up is the Voodoo card and the Aztec card. Don't know. Inaccessible boot device. Unbelievable. So I got to restart once and then it failed, so and nothing has changed. Let's see what happens. Inaccessible boot device. Okay, so maybe Windows NT just doesn't like compact flash drives. So let's try the repair sequence. Okay, so if this repair does not work, since I haven't done anything to the system, I'm going to abandon Windows NT 4.0. Because if the repair thing doesn't work, I mean the CD didn't even repair it, so I doubt the repair disk will work either. Alright. We are on inspection. Actually, if this doesn't work, what I'm going to do is reformat the compact flash, clean it out, because maybe there is an issue with that 2 megabytes. That might be the boot area and it's corrupted or something. I don't know. That happened originally on one of the DOS installations I had. Let me look here. Okay. See, what's funny is that I'll read tutorials on how to do this, which are all useless. They'll say you only need disc 1 and 2 in the repair disc, but you do need disc 3. So it's like, do you guys even pay attention to this thing? So yeah, here we go, disc 3, and then it should be the repair disc. So you only need 2 out of the 4 discs, despite needing all 4 and the CD. It's even when skipping this driver, this thing has asked me for disc 3. I don't know why. Plug and play. Because yeah, I think it needs this floppy in order to load the CD-ROM driver, so yeah. Alright. Okay, we have the emergency repair disc. Let's see if it works this time. That's always something. Alright. Alright. Yeah, be kidding. Alright, so we're doing this one last time. I'm going to try to format this disc. I'm going to actually put it in SAT next time, because I don't know what the hell is happening. Okay, we are... Okay, even now with NT installed, it's not showing the other drives on the, with FAT installed, I should say. Let's look here. So, I got this back again to this joint. See how if I can find something here. Control panel. I want devices. Oh man, I don't know what's going on. Okay. There's a lot going on here, but I am not... OpenGL, huh? So I need to server services, sound system. Don't have any tape devices. Okay, so I'm not sure how this works, but let's try to throw some drivers down here regardless and see if Windows NT will survive. Okay, looks like I made it past. Alright, now here's the issue. How do I get drivers installed on this device? Okay, this one might not work. Let's do... Shoot. Do this one. No. Okay, let's see what happens. Don't know what happened. But I have ways to check. Well, when NT. We're getting sound. Okay, good. Let's try some good old-fashioned software. I don't know if this one works. Oh. The parameter is not correct. Okay, last attempt. This one says it works with NT, but I'm not getting anything from my disk drive other than CDs, so... See, I don't understand. It says parameter is incorrect. What's the deal? Let's figure this out. Okay, so I restarted it to see if I can get the CD drive working. Parameter was incorrect, it said. Don't know what that means. I don't understand. Alright, let's load CD player. So I can do that. Let's look here. Put that one back in. So interesting. So it's not, I can load it from here, but I can't do it from here. What the heck? It's like not it's like not getting the information properly. Wow, what the hell is going on? Okay, so I ran the repair disk, trying to reset back to see if I can get the CD-ROM drive working, since I can play CDs through it, but can't access anything. I couldn't even access the system disk. I'm guessing I lost the everything. Let's see here. Oh, it looks like that's still here. Well, let's see See if we can get the disk drive to work. If not, I am going to abandon this system because there's no good information online regarding this, and I'm not going to use this that much. You gotta be kidding. It did nothing. Hold on, there has to be a way. It says it's working properly. Into workstation. So here it's doing something, it's just not loading it here. So I don't know. I mean, it's working now. I haven't had it not work, so I'll have to revisit this. But I mean, there's not really much I can do here without the CD-ROM drive, since I can't use the other hard drive and hard drive drives. I can use the floppy, possibly. See, that says it's not ready. So why? So yeah, I'm just gonna move on to the next one. NT is up and running again. The sound. It's just that I can use it as a very not fancy CD player at the moment. Okay, so now we are doing Warp 4. Now, I've had good luck installing OS2 in the past. Seems to be fairly straightforward. So, let's see if I'm doing well here. Alright, Warp 4. Disc 1. Now I only have 2 discs and a CD-ROM for this one. I'm used to installing OS2 Warp using like 30 diskettes. Ooh, it's fancy. So there was no status bar, I just sort of showed that screen as a screensaver. So the only way I knew it wasn't failing was because it was making noise. So good work, IBM. Uh-oh, something's happening. Some kid actually asked me if I could play Warframe on this. I said, it probably couldn't even load a JPEG file from that game, so yeah. He just saw the case and was like, that's what I need, and I was like, yeah, this is very specific and specifically tailored to my needs, not Fortnite or Warframe, I'm afraid. You can play Epic Pinball. That's your lineage to Fortnite and Warframe. Alright, congratulations, man. Alright. Let's do advanced installation. Okay, so type E, file system. Alright, let's see, disk. Okay. I can't do nothing. Do I still need... Not doing nothing. So do I still need Windows 3.1 on here? Oh shoot, I don't know what's going on now. Don't know what's going on. I think I screwed up here. I mean, that would make sense. The other two versions of Warp needed Windows 3.1. I'll have to investigate that. See, the actual installation of Warp, I've installed Warp 2 and 3. The actual Warp installations was straightforward. It was getting to that point that was a bit tricky. I don't know. Interesting problem. Got the CD-ROM in there. Let's press enter. Loading requested file. Loading requested files. Please wait. And then it just stops doing it. So let's go to the command prompt. Well. Oh, Hi, CD. Okay, this is a roadblock. I'm going to figure this out again on top of all the other crap. This time I'm trying a different installation, or I should say a different version of Warp 4. Come on now. It's the goal anyway. This one requires no floppies, which is the opposite of where I wanted to go, but since the floppies that they had used were a different format than normal ones, I guess this is the direction I need to go. But I'm still waiting. No! 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 What's going on? Alrighty, I'm shelving Warp 4 simply because I'm not convinced that my installation discs and CDs are reliable. So I'm just going to omit Warp 4 from that. I'm probably not going to use it anyway. So if I do feel like getting Warp 4 working on any system, I'm going to make sure to obtain legitimate versions of it, and or more reliable ones. So the next Pentium project video will be about filling in that slot here with something. I'm still trying to figure out what, because I've been unsuccessful so far, but that's the plan anyway.